There's a lot better.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man. First couple strings, what a hoot! And they keep going and going.
A cheaper version of the 5.7.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's weird.
We're failures.
I only put like 15 rounds in.
Let's go ahead. This is ridiculous. Okay, let's try it. There you go.
And then turn it sideways. Sideways gangster style. Did you charge one in?
Just kind of HK style.
Yeah.
Got me on there. Oh man, I'm gonna even aim. Man, it's actually really easy.
Here.
Okay, I want one more.
So what you have left?
Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I have my little AOW shotty. Finally got the tack stamp back on this guy. So now I can actually take it out on a beautiful sunny day and shoot it a little bit.
Go for it.
Hey, look at this. Look at the chamber. Oh, it popped out. It slipped back a little bit when you fired it.